Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
In today's video, we're working on a 32-inch IMPEX LED TV that came to us with a low brightness complaint. At first glance, it looked like a backlight problem. However, after testing the LED strips with our backlight tester, we confirmed that the backlights were in perfect working condition. So, we moved on to inspect the motherboard. During our inspection, we found the real culprit, a faulty electrolytic capacitor in the inverter section. As you can see, the top of the capacitor was bulging. A healthy capacitor should always have a flat top. Because this capacitor had lost its proper capacitance, the inverter couldn't supply the correct voltage to the LED backlights, resulting in a very dim picture. To fix the issue, we simply replaced the damaged capacitor with a new one of the same capacitance and voltage rating. After replacing it, the inverter began supplying the correct backlight voltage, and the TV's brightness returned to normal. The repair was successful, and the TV is now working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Electro Pixels. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming TV repair videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.